Welcome to the Mayor's Message of October 15th, 2020. I'm Mayor Ron Jensen. Listen, folks, COVID numbers are going up. Hospitalizations are up 43% since September 27th, and in addition, the daily numbers are up 20%. More than 2/3 of all confirmed cases requiring hospitalizations have been for people younger than 65, and diabetes has been an underlying condition in about 1/3 of all hospitalization patients, according to Dallas County. The state reports 4,053 COVID-19 patients in Texas hospitals, including 1,120 in the DFW area. 352 are in acute care in Dallas County, and 385 people visited an ER with COVID symptoms. In Tarrant County, 419 people are hospitalized with virus. There are 1,148 cases in Tarrant County schools, which is a 33% increase from last week. According to projections from the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center, COVID hospitalizations and ER visits are expected to increase in Dallas and Tarrant counties over the next 2 weeks, with hospitalizations reaching mid-August levels. And for the first time since peaking in early July, UT Southwestern test positive rate has stopped declining. The UT Southwest forecast projects 950 new infections a day in Dallas County by the end of the month. Researchers forecast about 850 new infections a day in Tarrant County by the end of the month. Our 7-day rolling average bears out these increases in Dallas and Tarrant counties. In fact, Tarrant County reported its highest new caseload in 2 months on Monday, October 12th. Both counties show a rise in case numbers, reminding us to wear masks and socially distance. The city is still offering free COVID-19 tests for anyone who lives or works in Grand Prairie. Tests are available every Tuesday through the end of October. The drive-thru operates from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and is accepting walk-ups and appointments. Visit gptx.org/COVID-19 for more information. The North Texas Food Bank will distribute food on Friday, October 30th from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Lone Star Park. The drive-thru distribution site is open to any person in need. Food items will include non-perishable items such as canned goods as well as fresh produce. In other non-COVID news, early voting for the November 3rd election has started. We have 5 early voting locations in Grand Prairie. You can find information for all early voting locations, hours, and learn about ballot items at gptx.org/elections. The city has one item on the ballot, whether or not to renew and extend for 20 years the existing 1/4 of 1 cent sales tax that funds our crime control and prevention district. This will not increase the city's sales tax. It is a continuation of an existing sales tax. Since this is a sales tax, non-residents who shop in Grand Prairie help pay for police officers. The CCPD tax currently pays for the public safety building, debt, and to hire, train, and equip police officers, primarily concentrating on community policing, including mental health, community engagement, public education, youth services, and other efforts to prevent crime by building inclusive relationships. If approved, once the PSB is paid off, the entire 1/4 cent sales tax will be used to hire, equip, and train officers for 20 years. If not approved, the city would absorb the nearly $8 million back into the general fund by eliminating police and/or city services, or we would have to ask voters to raise property taxes 4 to 6 cents per $100 of value to help fund police officers. This is an important vote for the city, and it may be difficult to find on the ballot due to all the other elections, so keep scrolling through the ballot to find us. Speaking of police, we recently partnered with the Trusted World organization, a nonprofit that gathers through donations essential goods for families in need. As officers come into contact with families in need of food, diapers, toiletries, or clothing, Trusted World can help fill that need. Take a look.
The barrel. Grand Prairie Police are joining forces with Trusted World to help struggling families. Trusted World collects donations of food, clothing, and personal care items. Then it supplies those items to police, teachers, and others who know families that need help.
We allow the officers and school counselors, when they see a need, rather than reaching into their own wallet to try to take care of that need, they can actually order those resources off of our website, and we provide it back to them within 24 to 48 hours at no cost.
On Wednesday, the relief agency dropped off collection barrels and picked up a sizable donation at GPPD. Officials say the new partnership will be a valuable resource for officers.
A lot of times people, they don't want to ask you, they don't want to ask for anything. So what the officer can do, can go in and just look around, and you know when you see an empty refrigerator that someone's in need. So the officer can come back, order supplies, and take them back to the house. A lot of times the individual is not even expecting anything, which makes it even better.
Trusted World says it welcomes donations of any size to help it meet the challenges created by COVID-19.
We are always in need of clothing, food, and toiletries, non-perishable food. We're always looking for new underwear, and you can also support us financially by going to trustedworld.org and clicking on our donation button.
For more information or to make a donation, visit trustedworld.org.
Halloween is fast approaching, and the CDC is not recommending Halloween gatherings, events, door-to-door trick-or-treating, or parties with non-household members. However, if you do go out, remember to wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart, and wash your hands frequently with either alcohol, hand gel, or soap and water. Following Halloween, the city's second annual Dia de los Muertos downtown event will be Sunday, November 1st, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the City Hall Plaza, which is at 300 West Main Street. We will have live music, a live butterfly release, and altar contest. Masks are required and entry will be limited. To participate in the altar contest, please register in advance by emailing either afortune@gptx.org or rheap@gptx.org. Volunteers are needed to help at the event from 4 to 8 p.m. Duties include door counts, face mask distribution, and reminding guests of health protocols. The Ruthie Jackson Center is hosting a bridal open house Sip and See November 10th. The event is for adults only. Brides will tour the venue, meet with vendors, and enjoy treats from caterers. Because of social distancing, reservations are required and can be made online at ruthiejacksoncenter.com/Sip and See. Lastly, I'm getting very excited about my birthday celebration, Mayor Jensen's 70 for 70. It begins on October 19th, 70 days before my birthday. Each week, we will release 7 ways residents can support the community in celebration of my 7 decades. This life-size avatar will be at locations all around town. For photo opportunities, use hashtag Mayor Jensen 70 for 70. In addition, local restaurants will offer free dessert for my birthday weekend, December 26th and 27th. And we kick off with a scavenger hunt October 24th. If you complete all the items on the list, you can win a free pass to a local attraction. Here are the 7 scavenger hunt items. Take a photo of yourself completing each to submit by October 30th at 5 p.m. to dhernandez@gptx.org. Number 1, visit the number 1 farmers market in Texas, which is in downtown Grand Prairie on Saturday, October 24th. Support breast cancer awareness in your pink out outfit. Visit the Epic Arts, Fitness and Entertainment Center and grab a picture standing next to my mayor's avatar. Visit any of Grand Prairie's local stores and support a local business by making a purchase. Take a picture of yourself shopping or your receipt. Go to your favorite Grand Prairie restaurant and send us a picture of you eating or your receipt. Grab a digital or physical book from your favorite Grand Prairie library and submit a photo. Get a flu shot and send a photo verifying. All the details can be found at gptx.org/70 for 70. In the meantime, stay safe, stay masked, be kind, and socially distance.